Hi, my name is Jose. We're going to talk about battery replacement, the importance to take it to a professional watchmaker. Reason number one to take your watch to a professional watchmaker is they have the right tools to do the job. Like this watch, it has the battery replaced somewhere else, then they use the wrong battery, the wrong size. See, like you can see right here, a big gap. This should be flush with the movement. The other reason, make sure they check the seals so you keep your watch in factory standards, like water resistance, and keep your watch in good shape. This is a Hamilton electric vintage watch. If you don't have the proper tools, they have like two contacts, looks like a fingers. If you touch those, you can easily cause some damage. I'm gonna open this watch to show you one of the, I'll say, most delicate pieces to have the battery replaced. For this particular watch, you hold this part and press it down. Then come right out. Yeah, when the people mess it up is they don't know how to remove this part. Then they just pry the battery out. Then they bend this strap. Then they touch everything in the movement because it has like a lot of fragile parts on it. They got fingers. It has hairspring, have coil. Some of those parts, or they move by accident, the watch will never keep the right time if it's not tuned back to the way it's supposed to. So let me put this. This is a Breitling chronograph, also battery operated. So you need the proper tools to open it. So we have this adjustable range to open it so you don't get no scratches in your case back. So you keep your watch like brand new, factory standards. Now you see it's like Swiss movement, 27 joule. You see the battery is held by strap and two screws. So you really need the right tools in order to do the job properly. The seal, you see this black part is the seal. You want to make sure it's in good conditions. After we replace the batteries, like these high-end pieces, we use the waterproof testing machine. So make sure there's no leaks, no problems for you to take your watch into the swimming pool. We have this watch in for service. This is a great example of what happens when you don't take your watch to a qualified watch repair place. After they replace the battery, because they don't have the right tools, when they try to close the watch, they broke the stem and the crown. Then they make a dent on the case back. You can see on the other side, you feel the bump. A $10 job turns into like way more money because we need to replace some parts and fix the problem somebody else create. If you love your watch, take to a professional watchmaker to do a battery replacement or whatever they need, then you can have a peace of mind.